What started as a passion project has now grown into so much more.
This year, we started a hydroponic tower donated by Mr. Piotr and the Builder Club here at Trafalgar Middle School. So I'm originally from Puerto Rico, and it's very normal in Puerto Rico to go to your backyard and get your herbs, your fruits and veggies, and actually your animals that you're going to cook with a daily basis. So growing up with that, I'm happy that we get to do this here at our school, because I will also be teaching my son to do this in the future.
After all, nutrition education plays an important role in the student dining experience in Lee County's school cafeterias.
The students at the school have really been enjoying it, so we actually have a guidance counselor who goes about once a week, twice a week. She'll take a class or two up to the hydroponics tower, and we'll teach them how to pick the leaves and which one's peppermint and stuff, since they're not allowed to have gum. The parents of the students at open house, when we presented them the hydroponics tower, a lot of them were really blown away. We had a few parents give us some advice who had hydroponics towers of their own, so it's been a very positive outlook from the community, the students, parents, and other schools as well. So I grew up with my great-grandfather and my grandma being part of my family, my household, which was really cool. They taught me really how to garden. I remember all the time going over to my grandpa's as a little kid and picking avocados and different kinds of Puerto Rican fruits and things, and there were chickens, and he had a goat and a pig one time. So it was really cool getting to do all of that when I was young. Now that I'm older, I like gardening a lot at home, and it's really cool to bring it to the kids here at the school and get them inspired in it the same way we were, because all it takes is somebody showing you, and then after that, it's all learning on your own if you like it.